Hey everybody, this is Kirk. I just want to take you along on my journey to becoming a fully funded My Forex Funds trader. Guys, I've been working the bounce strategy with Chartmaster Eric B. And it's been phenomenal. The training that we receive on this strategy has allowed me to pass the My Forex Funds evaluation phase. So now I'm a fully funded trader. So now I'm trading other people's money, guys, and it's just a different feeling when you're trading other people's monies. Chartmaster Eric B helped me with the bounce strategy. Really simple, guys. Really simple. It's simply trading structure to structure. This is exciting. I get to trade other people's money now.